Hi, today I'll show you how to clear browsing data on Motorola Moto G5S. Let's open Google Chrome, then press here, History. You can clear just one tab like this, or you can tap on Clear Browsing Data and clear data from past hour, past day, week, 4 weeks, or for the whole time. Now you can choose what actually you wanna clear: browsing history, cookies, cached images, saved passwords, and autofill from data. Let's choose those three and let's clear our data. As you can see, there is no history anymore. Thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.